Good day, everyone. I am Ryan de las Rias, and let's talk about perspective and descriptive grammar. So, what exactly are these terms, and why do they matter? Let's begin with perspective grammar. So, perspective grammar refers to a set of rules and guidelines that dictate how language should be used. These rules are often taught in schools, are intended to standardize language usage, ensuring clarity and consistency. Perspectivists believe there are correct ways to speak and write, often favoring formal language in professional or academic settings. For example, when we're told to avoid split inhibitions or not end a sentence with a preposition, we are following perspective grammar rules. But these rules are static, they evolve, and some change over time reflects how language is naturally used. On the other hand, we have descriptive grammar. These approaches take a more observational sentence, focusing on how language is actually used by speak regardless of what rules. Descriptive grammar study language as it is, including formal speech, regional dialect, and the flexibility in every conversation. They argue that language should evolve naturally, and what important is how effectively communication happens rather than adhering to strict rules. So, which approach should we follow? Well, the truth is both are necessary. Perspective grammar ensures we maintain clarity and professionalism, especially in formal writing, but descriptive grammar helps us understand the proper of language, capturing its diverse and dynamic nature and daily communication. In conclusion, grammar isn't just a matter of right or wrong. It's about understanding the rules that govern language and also recognizing that language evolves with time and society. Whether you're writing an academic paper or chatting with friends, both perspective and descriptive grammar help us connect and communicate more effectively. And that's all. Thank you very much.